In 2026, there are dozens of AI travel planners.
So why is Madram Milsan AI different? Let me show you in 90 seconds.
Most AI travel planners in 2026 have one thing in common. They stop at the itinerary. Some paywall after the first use, some charge extra for AI features. Some give you a wall of text with no bookings and no structure. And none of them cover what you actually need. Insurance, eSIM, visa info, clothing by weather, Forex cards, and a budget breakdown. Every competitor leaves you with 11 browser tabs to figure out the rest. But Madram Milsan AI doesn't do that. Madram Milsan AI does something no competitor does. It covers your entire trip, not just the itinerary. You get a complete day-by-day schedule, morning, afternoon, and evening. Local food recommendations, authentic dishes and real restaurants, not generic suggestions. A clothing guide, built for the actual temperature on each day of your trip. Live flights and hotels, travel insurance. 4 providers compared side by side. eSIM data for 150 countries. Forex cards with 0 fees. Visa information specific to your passport. Government travel advisories. PDF export. Google Calendar. Share with your family. Everything in one place for free. 140 destinations, 80+ countries, 17 languages, including Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, and Thai. And unlike every competitor, no sign-up, no subscription, no ads. Forever. Built in Sydney, Australia, in just 14 days. Named after founder's family, Madhu, Ramya, Milind, and Sandra. 2 weeks to build, 25 years to be ready to build it. Try it free right now. madramilsani.regovix.com. No download, no sign up. Open in your browser and go. Dream it, plan it, go.